like these.
Are you recording?
So it's a male. Also, you can look. You see the little yellow stuff.
The herbaceous.
Can you post it or how
The
do you
yellow stuff in the middle. What would
On
that,
YouTube.
what would that be?
Maybe it's pollen.
Pollen.
Oh,
So
maybe it's not.
go. What would be the name of the entire structure, meaning the bracket on the left side?
Which one?
The big bracket on the left.
The cone?
Microstrobilus.
So it's gonna open up.
So what's the name
Can you point?
for this?
Point it.
What's the name? I don't have a point.
Yeah, you too, right? You can hear you. You can use the mouse.
No.
That doesn't work.
Yes.
What's the name of what's at the bracket in the middle right there? That's all. What's that pointing at?
Is that?
That's the small one. I think. Remember.
Well, if the whole thing's a microstrobilus, what's a microstrobilus made up of?
Micros?
No. There's a common name. It's like common name.
Archipel.
No. It's that thing.
Let's hold that thought. What are these little pointy structures?
Microphills.
Those are microsporophills.
Microspore.
So if that's microsporophills, then what's the structure attached to the microsporophills? Microsporangia. Okay, now look in the microsporangia and look at what's in the box. If the cells in there are single cell and are diploid, what would you call them?
They're single cells?
That's what it says.
Okay, then they're just spores.
No.
Microspores?
No.
They're not. They're single cells.
Microspore mother cells.
Oh.
How do you know everything? I don't understand.
Okay, what about if they are not 2 N, but they are 1 N and single cell?
They're spore. They're single cells, right?
I just said that.
1 N single cells is the father's.
You're on drugs again.
I know, I think. I get like this when
You
I'm
have
on
too
the
much
phone.
caffeine or something. So they're single cell,
No,
2 cell,
him.
1 N. Microspores.
Didn't I say that?
Well, you've said that, you said a bunch of answers real quickly. What about if they're multi-celled in 1 N?
They're microgametophytes.
Microgametophytes, or pollen, same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
They're synonyms.
And let's go to this one. So what's the name of these structures, everything on the left side? And there's a 1, 2,
I don't like
3,
looking at naked girls. Just kidding. Which one?
The name of the entire structures you see.
Megastrobili.
Megastrobili. Now we're going to enlarge it here. So what's the name of this entire structure here that this bracket's talking about?
Megasporantia?
No,
Megasporophil.
that is this.
Oh, megasporophyll then.
This is a megasporophyll, and on the megasporophyll is a megasporangium. Now look what's in the megasporangium. Now do the same thing, but think before you speak. Okay, if they're unicellular and diploid, they are
Mega mother. Let's see. Let's make this up.
megamother. Okay.
Mega mother. So they're 2N, right? So they haven't gone through meiosis, so they're not spores. Megaspore mother cells.
There you go.
Wait, didn't I say that?
Well, you said.
Mega
Mega
mother.
mother
You
cells.
switched the order around.
That's the same thing. You
What is it?
understand.
Megaspore mother cells?
Megaspore mother cells.
The 2N.
So what about if they are single celled in 1 N?
Megaspores.
Megaspores. So just the logic of it is that what's produced is megaspores. So what is before it? Megaspore mother cells. It's the cells that produce the megaspore. So the order is actually logical. Okay, next. Multi-celled in 1 N. Megagametophyte or female-gametophyte. Correct.
Or pollen. Can you say
No.
pollen on those? No,
No,
you can't.
no, that would be back here.
The pollen is just the one on the.
Pollen is only the
Guys.
male-gametophyte.
Guys.
Pollen is. Think of it this way. Pollen is a common name for the male gametophyte, and the reason there's a common name is because many people have allergies to it.
Okay.
No one has an allergy to
It doesn't
to
fly.
any of this because they don't fly away,
They don't
they're
fly.
self-contained. So there's no common name for stuff that people don't encounter.
And the spore, the microgametophytes, the pollen, they have wings, right?
Yes.
All of
Right
them.
here.
Do all of them have wings?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, this is an enlargement of what we had before, showing is as labeled here, the megagametophyte, the megasporangium, showing in this area you have an archegonium with eggs being produced.
Archegonium.
Yes.
Eggs will be produced. That's the archegonium. The blob, if you
Yes.
point that, you want to see archegonium.
Yeah, you can't really see the structure in this view, but that's what would be going on.
But there would be no antheridium there, right?
Correct.
Gymnosperms don't have that.
Correct. And this is all labeled for you. This is showing that, again, this would be like the top view, showing the female humidifier, male humidifier, your archegonia. So it's really, it's somewhat the same thing as the previous, but it's just a little bit clearer.
So the whole thing is archegonia and the big 2 cells.
Yep. And there's 2 separate archegonia, each with an egg.
Female humidifier, that's the one that's going to provide the energy?
Correct. So now is you'd have a pollen landing up here somewhere, going into this
Pollen
way.
tube.
So you're going to fertilize the egg. Then what are you going to have developing from the fertilized egg?
Single fertilizer. Wait, what? Go ahead.
What are you going to have developing from that fertilized egg?
Embryo.
Embryo, exactly.
So single fertilization, unless
single fertilization.
unless you're genetified.
Correct. And then, so here's a seed on the left, a section of a seed on the right. So what's the name of the structure that's formed down the middle?
Collision.
Whole thing. What's a whole thing?
Embryo.
Embryo. Sporphate embryo. And then what's this portion?
I don't know.
You said
Collision.
Yeah.
I can't tell which one.
Well, that's these little structures sticking up.
And for gymnosperms, you still have hypo, no?
Yep. This would be epicolumn would be right there, and this little zone, that's the meristem, and then hypocolumn would be
Those slides.
what would be the roots.
Oh my gosh,
But
that's
it's
so
so
far away.
So what's this and this? Tissue.
Mega gametophyte
Megagametophite.
or megas. No, mega gametophyte.
Megagametophite. So in essence, you're following development. Look at this. Here's the female gametophyte right there. And so that stays in the sporphate embryo. This goes right down the center.
Right.
So this should lead to this development there. So now you have
Good job,
a fully
guys.
developed seed. And the rest of these, there's just very quick visualization that these are the cycads,
No,
same
wait,
life cycle.
Wait.
Excuse me?
This is cycadophyte.
So we didn't look at any
Kinda like a
microscopic
fern.
images.
Because it's the same.
Sort of like a fern, but unlike a fern, it doesn't have sorite, it has strobilite. Unlike a fern, it's got
That's
secondary growth.
That's the female.
This would be a female.
That's the female because it has seeds in there.
Those are big
Yeah.
seeds. Yep. I would hope that's not pollen.
Gosh, that would be a big pollen. You'll need a helicopter to fly that over.
This would be the
Poor male.
just showing that they form strobilite. So this was just showing the
Microstrobilite.